Orvieto, we went into this toy store called the Wizard of Oz. And inside we went in, and the guy that owns it, first of all, he looks like Pinocchio, so I think something
Geppetto.
Geppetto. And there's Pinocchio stuff all over. And he noticed we were American, so he first shows us he mentioned Rick Steves. I mean, he had no idea that I've been a fan of Rick Steves since I graduated college. And he shows us a picture of him that was taken before, and also his book. So then we walk out, and Scott sees somebody with a blue shirt on walk by, looks like Rick Steves. He says to me, I think that was Rick Steves. So I decide to walk towards him, and the way he's walking, the way he's carrying his backpack, I'm like, that so looks like Rick Steves. So I go all the way over there, and sure enough, it is Rick Steves.
There's a shuttle bus that goes from here down to the train station, or the escalator that takes you to the train station.
Who would have thought? And he was training tour guides to do all his Rick Steves tours, and they were filming. So I couldn't really talk. One of the people that works for him was very nice and said that we can watch. And then at some point, when I thought it was a break, I did ask him for a picture, but he said he was working. And then a little while later, he passed me and he turned to me and said he was sorry. So that was kind of cool. And then we keep seeing him everywhere we go.
Now enough of him.
Yeah, enough of it. I just can't believe it.
It's like the old Mel Brooks, Cary Grant story.
I would have loved to take in a picture with him.
You like that Mel Brooks reference?
Yeah. And too bad I don't have the Rick Steves book with me to get his autograph, but he wouldn't have done it at this point because he is filming. But it was very cool. I can't believe it.
What are the odds, huh?
What's the odds? I can't believe it.
In all the world.
I know.
We bump into him in a small town in Italy.
Yeah, Orvieto. Very cool.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hey, it's Melissa. We are now on the train to Orvieto. And just to let you know, I read that it was a long walk to get to the train, which it was. Nothing horrible, but it was at 1 EST if it's the same every time. And you have to go down 1 and take it all the way down to the end. So we took the 902, it's about an hour and a half, and to Orvieto. Looking forward to seeing the hill town of Orvieto. We made it to Orvieto. We just got off the train right over here in Orvieto, and right here is the entrance of the funicular. Pretty easy, and it was a 130 euros person to take the funicular. I'll show you inside. To get up top, it's all the way up. You buy your tickets over here, and then you go through these machines, and there's the funicular. cookies from the area at this little cafe place, Catena Forest. All right, right by the church, Duomo.
Yep.
Can't believe it's Rick Steves. I've been following him forever, and he's filming right now. I had no idea whatsoever. And we just went into the Wizard of Oz store in Orvieto, and he showed a picture of him. And then we walk in, and there he is. Crazy.